So today is the day I pick up the Firebird. They got the 2 gauges on, and they said since my fuel thing is digital, so I have to get a digital. I'm gonna have to get a digital gauge. So it's cool. I'll get one. I mean, the main thing is that I got my temperature working, and what was it? I got temperature and my oil pressure. So those are the 2 things. Those are 2 main things I was worried about. Fuel, you know, on a low car, you can kind of know when your car is getting low on fuel. And also told me that my it was to adjust the choke, but my carburetor's no good, so I need to go get a new carburetor. I don't know which kind of carburetor I'm going to get. Let me know in the comment section below what carburetor should I get. But I might just go ahead and get cause my uncle, he can rebuild my carburetor, so I might just go that route. You know, I like to just keep it everything like that. So we might go rebuild it, or we might just go get us a new one. So let's go pick it up. Let's get it. So this how you see how quick this weather be changing now. Look, it's like that cold outside. Like you really probably couldn't see it, but yesterday it was like pretty. It was not cold, you know, but. We got her up and smoking, up and rolling. About to take it to the house. Got my gauges working, oil gauge and stuff. Got my even then this even started working properly. At first this used to be so distorted, so even the miles thing started working. About to go home and get out this weather. Ooh, that baby got that kick on it. That kick on it, that kick on it. Oh man, I miss it. So, oh man, this feeling is so different. Lift my seat up though. I don't know why they had the seat. They got the seat reclining all the way back. Like who driving like this? Which one of y'all out here driving like this, man? Y'all be wanting them seats all the way back. But yeah, we gotta get this headliner fixed now. They said my carburetor do need to be adjusted though. So yeah, we back and we at the crib. I like it. I like shops that get in there. Like you got me. See, that's why you got to build connections, man. That's why I always try. That's my one of my biggest goals this year is just build as many more connections. Just talk to just a lot more people. Because me and my brother, we didn't go get no work from the audio shop done yet. But just us going down there and talking to him, talking to him about the audio shop. He gave me the guy to a mechanic. And this guy, he works on old school cars, new school cars. So I got a mechanic, and he's not just like cash only either. So he takes card too. So I can start using my business. I use my business credit card, you know. This is my business. This is my baby and my business. So swipe your business credit card. I gotta get. It's really dirty though. Like I said, gotta get all these body moldings, get it realigned, get a passenger door handle, get some center caps. I got my spoiler. I just gotta find the right clips. You know, I'm still looking on eBay. Probably gonna have to change this out. Just get this fixed, get a new one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get a whole new one of these for the spoiler. I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% sure. But I might just go ahead and get one for my spoiler to sit in. That body, get all, like I said, get a body mold, and I might buy a body if I can't find the right kit my gauges up there where they supposed to. So now I just gotta get my fuel gauge. We got my little radio in there. Got my little speakers in there. You know, speakers. Got that old tint on there. Need to retint these windows. Retint the T-tops. You know, retint that. You know, because it's all bubbled up and old. Probably gonna have to get a new front windshield. I don't, like my brother, he had to get a new windshield to see like how that is. And how all that glue is just starting to come up off of there. Yeah, I see like on that side. It definitely needs a bath. Like I said, got my hood louvered in there so it makes it look even cooler. Got these in there. Got to get all this trash out. Now look. It was just cold. Now look, the sun's all out and shining and stuff like that. We have like this weird like style of weather. So now like the sun's out, it feels good. It was literally just cold just a second ago. Now look, the sun's out. Yeah. It's weird. It's weird, you know, so like that. It be kind of throwing your days off. Cause it's like you get up, you like, dang, it's cold, so you get a little stuff done, then you like, dang, now the sun wanna come out. It definitely needs to get realigned though. It needs to be realigned. Oh yeah, I do have two though. So, and it actually came with 3 rims on it when I got it, but it didn't have 4, so I ended up just sitting on eBay and bought all 4 because these had the 4. I got these whole rims and tires for like $400. Like these rims and tires for like 400. You know, rims and tires, you can't beat that. Never get that price again. But luckily I was able to find that deal. This, that. So guess I don't need this no more because it ain't digital. So I'll end up giving that this. I'll put that on something or give it to my brothers or something. Maybe they might need it. Make sure the gauge is okay. Cool, they go right back to 0 like they supposed to. Turn the key. Okay. Oh, is fan working properly? I hear the fan cutting on. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't. My trash old carburetor and probably my battery too. Trash carburetor, probably this trash battery. That's because it's been sitting so long. Battery, probably my alternator too though. Mainly thing, because all this stuff is on here from when I got this car a long time ago. But I ain't too worried. Where we go? We're gonna get all that stuff. A lot of this stuff adjusted Monday. We're gonna get the carburetor adjusted. Probably go grab because there's still a warranty on that battery, like a 1-year warranty on that battery, so I'll get that checked out. Cause I probably let it go back because it literally was setting, because I had to like double jump when I first and stuff, you know, and I had to get it jumped off a second ago. So so probably gonna have to get my battery adjusted, then I probably have to get my alternator too, because the alternator is probably really old. But I get the alternator rebuild, you know, because you can get all that stuff, like you can get the alternator and starter rebuild. So I'll probably take them both off, get the alternator and starter, get them rebuilt at the same time. Because my brother, he took his and got his rebuild. The dude charged like $150. So mine it's gonna be about the same price because he got a Camaro Firebird, same price. So $150 battery, get my carburetor adjusted. So we'll be all right. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me one more time. It's gonna look well better. It's gonna look way better. It's gonna look way better just when I prime it down. Just when I prime it down and just get everything aligned. You know, once I prime it all the way down and get it all the way aligned, you're gonna be all right. But gauge is working. That's all that matters. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. I'm out. I'll be streaming later today. I'm gonna go download that new Hogwarts Legacy, the Harry Potter game. So come kick it with me later on today. If you got any questions, just stop in later when I'm streaming and just answer your questions. I'm out. Peace.